What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we are working on a 2002 Ford Focus. We are going to be changing out the all three engine mounts. So you have, you want to come over here, we have one here, and we have two on the bottom side of the engine that we'll get under the car and we'll show you. But yeah, it's going to be a pretty easy fix. Should be about maybe an hour, you think? Right? Yeah, so not too bad. So let's get to it.
Removing the radiator tank.
Okay, yeah.
So just so you know, it'll be one bolt here and then lift up on this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that a 10 mil?
Yep.
Alright. There she is. So these two are gonna be 19, and then that one down there is 15.
Yeah. Sweet. Alright. One thing we're going to do is support the engine from the underside.
Okay. Alright.
And actually, semantically, these are transmission mounts. Or, sorry, this is transmission mount, this is lower rear engine mount, and this is the upper engine mount.
Okay. And just pops out after that. So what's damaged about it? Is it this part right here?
Yeah, this part
right
right here.
Flat.
Yeah, you can see that it's starting to crack and stuff like that. I mean, you can see the dry rotting happening.
Yeah.
Just when it moves, like, see how easy that moves?
A lot of play in there.
Yeah.
Look at that, nice and stiff. Yeah. Gotcha. But we need that brace though, don't we?
Huh?
We need this part?
Yeah, we're going to need this part. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in loose first.
Is that just to line it up? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. How come the whole thing on this one came out, but that one didn't?
Okay, so what happened is that kind of binding in there. See how much rust and corrosion there is on there?
Yeah.
So ideally I could potentially try to take that off and then like wire wheel that to clean it up to get all that corrosion off.
Okay.
In this case I'm not overly worried about it.
Alright. So now onto the 13. So the lower motor mount.
Yep.
Right. How many bolts are there?
2.
Alright. And these are gonna be 13 mils. So it just slides back in place. Alright, so I didn't get a good angle on the motor mount, but this is what it looks like, and it just slides in like this. So you got one bolt here that goes in sideways, and then one that comes from the bottom that goes up. So you want to hold that? Yeah. So yeah, you can see it's pretty dirty and pretty bad. Now, how is this one?
So
Is it?
So what will happen when you go to put it in? You'll slide it in and up, and then lower the engine to where these line up.
Okay. So which part of it is like? Is it right here?
Yeah, it's right here.
It has a lot of play in it.
Yeah. It's actually not horrible, but like you can see a little bit of crack forming right there.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So for taking your transmission mount out, when changing it, you are going to want to jack up your engine and support it. So make sure to do that.
Okay.
Alright, so after you remove your battery and the battery cage, next you have to remove the air box. So you're just going to obviously remove your sensor. And then just pop straight up, and it'll pop right out. Okay, so we got 415, 2 here, and 2 here, and then 1 21 mil. So, we'll get a better angle. There we go. 2 here, and 1 center. Okay, so as you can see, when we took the old one out, the engine slipped right there. So, this is supposed to be in the middle. So now we're just gonna pull it and slide it back in. So it's good to have a partner. Oh man, you ruined this nice pretty black. Okay. So yeah, just put your air box back in, reconnect the hose, obviously put your battery back in, and you're finished. Alright guys, so that is it. That is how you change your transmission mounts and your motor mounts. This is a very simple process. It took about 45 minutes to an hour. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section, and I will make sure to answer them for you guys. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps me out. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.